Yeah. So, before I was born, my mom, she had melanoma, which is a type of skin cancer that appears as a mole. And my dad had also skin cancer recently. They had to do some surgery on him, and I've always had these moles on my head. I'll show you the pictures in the video. My parents are worried that they may be cancerous. I had them checked before, but my parents just want me to go get them checked again, and they think that some new ones have appeared, so we're gonna go to Kaiser and get them checked.
We just want to be safe, make sure everything is okay with him, especially since he's about to be leaving.
Yeah.
So just to get a quick checkup before he goes, you don't have to really worry about anything.
I mean, I'm not
Worried?
I
Kind of.
Yeah, I'm not worried.
Not a worried type of person.
I'm just
Cautious?
yeah. Although, sometimes I don't like going to doctors because I think it's a waste of time. They don't really tell me anything sometimes. But if it is the case that I do have something diagnosed, then I would want to get that dealt with.
Yeah,
I want to deal with
of
it.
course.
So, it's better to get them removed, get them checked, than to find out that I have cancer, that it's fatal. So,
Yeah.
which is it's possible. So it's better to simply get them checked. So if you have any moles, go get them checked. Don't be afraid of the doctors. Although sometimes it may appear to be a waste of time, it's not. It's better to be safe than sorry.
Sorry, I stole
You steal everything. You steal my life.
I do not.
You steal my swag. My
Although
swag.
people may say that I do steal your life because
steal
every
my
job
style.
that you've had, I've
You
had.
steal my jobs. You steal my parents. You steal my house. My car.
I don't steal it, I just borrow it. So Daniel, tell us what took place at Kaiser.
My doctor said that wished me good luck, and she just made it seem like I have nothing to worry about, but still get to get him checked out. So she took some cool pictures. Right? She took pictures with a with a regular camera, outside zooming in, and then they took out like this black scope thing. I don't know what it's called. You know what it's
I
called?
forgot, dermoscope? I don't know.
I don't know. But it really zooms in and it was like bright. It was pretty cool. She was really nice. She said good luck. And Kaiser's pretty good. So I really don't have anything to worry about. They just took pictures. They're going to send it to a dermatologist just to make sure that everything's fine. But they made it seem like I have nothing to worry about, right?
Yep.
And I'm good. I'm healthy. I just need to work out an extra 15 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright.
Alright.
Peace.
Good talking to you.
Since it appears that I'm pretty healthy, I'm gonna go celebrate at Subway. We got a coupon. Buy one, get one free.